Wake up, Dom. You want to ride bikes?
Yeah, give it a few minutes though. I'm still enjoying our palatial surroundings.
That's what the sun looks like through the tent. Ooh, kind of trippy. What's for breakfast?
Superfood slam.
Whoa. No oatmeal today, or porridge as you call it?
Porridge and oatmeal are two very different things, Ryan.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are. Oatmeal is very undercooked porridge. Americans are in a hurry to cook their oats. It's no good. My morning routine. Wrist exercises.
So I just put my riding shirt on and I noticed it has some big holes all over it. And Dom seems to think that it was a rodent. And these rodents need to know that these wool shirts are very expensive. So guys, please next time chew on something a little less expensive. Let's do it. What a way to start the day. Beautiful out here. And there's nobody on the trail yet. It's just us and the chipmunks and maybe some bears. We've had some really good downhill today, but we saw this little cabin off the side of the road and we hit our brakes and stopped. It's pretty cool. It says this tiny house, only 280 square feet, was built in the 1920s as a cattleman's cabin. Tiny houses are cool these days, so whoever's cabin this was, they set the trend because people are looking to live smaller, which is pretty cool. I like it. When you live small, you can spend more money on experiences. Dom just heard me talking and he's just shaking his head.
Whoever this trapper or like gold prospector was, that by the name of Spencer, clearly wasn't thinking about tiny house living.
Dom just ruined my moment. So we are now on the official Tahoe Rim Trail. Yesterday evening we were on the Flume Trail, but this is our first taste of the Rim Trail. And this trail goes all the way around the lake, but bikes aren't allowed on every section, so our route kind of jumps in and out. Whoever developed the route that we've been taking, I would like to give you a virtual high five and a hug. It's been really great so far. And the way these bikepacking.com routes work is that somebody goes out and just develops a route, researches it, and puts it on bikepacking.com so other people can enjoy it. How cool is that? Most of the snow is gone from this area, but Dom found one little spot. It's like nature's Slurpee. I'm gonna take advantage of crashing and stopping right here to show you this. Check it out. Trail here is the real deal. It is mountain biking, and there are some very technical sections, and you have to be paying attention at all times. You can't just start lollygagging and looking at the trees and looking at the chipmunks, or you're gonna go down. I've caught myself a few times getting close, and you know, sometimes you just have to stop and walk your bike. But yeah, this is about as good as it gets for bike packing. We have been shooting at this place, the Fox and the Hound, for 20 miles, waiting for the ice cold water. We ran out of water early today. That's why we were eating the snow. You know, I got this pizza and I'm like, this is way too small. I'm gonna need another one of these for sure. We've really camped out here at this bar, and we are on meal number 2. What are we eating now?
Quesadillas.
Quesadillas. Oh yes.
Eat your dang quesadilla.
Whew, I just ate a lot of food. Dom ate a lot of food, and now we're like, oh, it's gonna be hard to get moving. And especially knowing that we have pretty much all uphill until where we want to go, Star Lake. And I'm looking at the elevation, and yeah, it's up, 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 up. It's interesting to be riding a bike through a ski resort when it's so hot. The thermometer on my computer says 95. That's in the direct sun, but still, it is warm. So on the Tahoe Twirl route description, it did mention some hike-a-bike. So we're hiking our bikes. This is, maybe you could ride it in the beginning of the day and you're not exhausted, but this is some pretty steep stuff. This is not very rideable. This is kind of insane. Oh boy. This is very difficult. This is the first stuff that I would call full-on hike-a-bike. There's been some other quick sections here and there, but this is a lot of getting on and getting off. That's a fun little section. Woo-wee! Look at that. We're really high. Oh, this area. The landscape is a little bit different. It's a little deserty. Got these scrubby plants. Got this exposed granite. Oh man, I think we're in for a treat tonight when we get to Star Lake. Because if it looks like this, we're gonna be very happy. Don't fall to the left. Wow. We're slowly making our way up, mostly carrying our bikes right now. It's called bike packing because it's like backpacking, but instead of a backpack, you're carrying a bike. Is that why they named it this? Oh boy. Look at that. Look how tiny Dom looks. Oh, tree. You're so pretty. Oh boy. We're close. We got a beach here. Oh baby. Good work. Look at that. Yesterday was really hard. We thought today would be a little easier for some reason, but it wasn't. It was very hard. Oh, it's so nice to be able to end the day at a place like this. Oh. This is exactly what we were hoping for. We had no idea what it looked like. We just heard there was a lake up here. And it's, yeah, I think it's better than what I expected. Oh, good work. Dinner time. We're gonna put the camera away now and just enjoy the beauty. So thanks for joining us today. Any last words, Dom?
Nope.